At Northeastern Seminary, our mission is to prepare Christ-centered men and women for faithful, effective ministry to the church and the world. And right now, what our world needs most is a strong, healthy church. As the body of Christ, we are called to reimagine, renew, rebuild ourselves so that we can meet the issues and challenges of today. Shrinking congregations, polarization, deconstruction, fatigue, injustice. These are some of the issues that we in the church are facing today. But we want to imagine new ways forward so that we can best embody the gospel of Jesus Christ to a broken world that needs it. Join us Sunday, June 11th and Monday, June 12th as we begin to explore the spiritual trends that are impacting our daily lives. You're going to hear from the Barna Group on the recent trends that are going on in the nation today. Seminary faculty, students, and alumni are doing the work of reimagining new ways that we can be the body of Christ to a lost and broken world. Be energized by the community of faith and head back to your congregations and communities with a fresh set of eyes for the work that God is calling us to do together.